Aloha everybody, thanks for coming back and checking out the video. Really do appreciate it. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one of the most beautiful beaches that the big island of Hawaii has to offer, and I will be showing you a comparison between the two cameras I brought on this vacation, which is a GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition and the new Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. Alright, so I'm recording with the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III, and it does have the firmware update, the first firmware update that's supposed to help with the autofocus, and it's definitely an improvement over it coming right out of the box. So, well, we're here at the beach, and I hope you really enjoy the video. Do me a favor and tell me what you think down in the comment box below, what you think about the video, what you think about the two cameras, and if you have any questions, you can hit me up on Instagram, or you can hit me up in the comments below. And if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button and tell me what you did or didn't like about the video. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.